Today, we're going to look at how to freeze a row in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. You'll notice that if you scroll down in a really long spreadsheet in Google Sheets, any titles that you have at the tops of columns, for example, I have the title Price and Quality of Coffee as titles for columns B and C. As you scroll down, these disappear as other rows are displayed instead. This can be problematic because now I'm at the bottom of my spreadsheet and I might not remember what column B and column C correspond to, which one is price and which one is quality. There's an easy fix for that, and it's called freezing a row. All you have to do to freeze a row and make it so that it's always visible in your spreadsheet is go to the View menu, select Freeze, and then there's a couple of different options that you have. For this spreadsheet, all that I need to do is freeze the first row. So I can choose one row here. And you'll notice that there's now a gray bar underneath row 1. That indicates that everything above that gray bar will be frozen and always be visible, while everything underneath it will scroll normally. So I'm going to scroll back down the spreadsheet again, and you'll see that price and quality of coffee are always there. Those titles are always there, no matter how far down I scroll. You might have a scenario where you need more than 1 or 2 rows frozen in your spreadsheet. You can also do this in Google Sheets as well. All that you have to do is select the last row you want frozen. So maybe I want to freeze the first 4 rows of my spreadsheet. I'll click on that number 4 to select row 4. I'll go to View, Freeze, and then instead of choosing 1 row or 2 rows, I can say up to the current row that I've selected, which in this case is 4. And you'll see that gray bar gets moved down underneath whatever row you selected. So it's now underneath my row 4. And if I scroll down, those first 4 rows are frozen instead. Now your spreadsheet might change, or you might decide that you don't like the frozen rows that you have. It's very easy to undo or get rid of frozen rows. All that you have to do is go to Freeze and select the very first option, No Rows, to return back to the default setting. And that's how to freeze and unfreeze a row in Google Sheets.